Are we ready? Thumbs up? Alright, ready to go. So take a quiz, try to catch up after you're done. That's what the if means, IF. Multiply a polynomial by a monomial. So monotreme is a platypus, right? Because it has one
whole for everything.
hole. That's right. So monomial, just want you to remember it's one. Polynomial can be one or pretty much anything. Polynomial can mean anything. Almost anything. Okay. So let's go back into the future. Back into the future doesn't make any sense. Back into the past.
You just like brainwarped me.
What?
You brainwarped me?
I just did. I just brain warped you. So we got 4 times x minus 6. So we're going to use the distributive property. Do you remember distributive property?
Yes, you distribute the outsider to everything inside.
And what are you doing when you say distribute?
You're multiplying.
Multiplying. So we distribute 4 times the x and 4 times the
negative 6.
negative 6.
So it would be 4x.
Negative 40.
4x, and what's 4 times negative 6?
Negative.
Negative 24. Boom.
Yeah, you're tricking me, man.
Everything okay?
That makes sense.
Okay.
Then you got to solve.
Well, can we combine anything? No. 4x and 24 are different.
So
Can't
it's
combine them.
7.
That is. You done. Yep.
Sweet.
My name is Mr. Brian and Italy on
You did. Alright. Number 2. Yeah, I'm going to calendar. Alright, number 2. 3 times x squared plus x plus 3. We're going to distribute, which means multiply. Hey. Distribute, so 3 times x squared is
3x.
3x squared. 3 times x is
3x.
positive 3x. And then 3 times negative 3 is
Negative 9.
negative 9. Is there anything that can combine there?
No.
No. So you are no. What's this word?
Similarly.
Similarly. Can you say that?
Similarly.
Similarly. A lot of L's in there.
Literally.
Similarly, we can use distributive property in this problem too. When it says this problem, it means this one. So y'all write this one down. Write this down. It says find, and then you just keep going. You guys pick. Oh, you just work with Thank you. Yes, you did. That's why she said. And I was like, I said it again. Everybody got it? Got it? Nope. Alright, good. Okay. Vontae, you got it? Okay. So what we're doing is we're multiplying, because that's what distributing means. It means multiply, so you're multiplying this times each term. So this is called a monomial. What's in the parentheses called? Trinomial. Boom. Got it. It's like, of course.
So how do you multiply?
That's exactly what we're going to do.
Because
So I'm going to take this monomial. He's called the distributor. What's he called?
the distributor.
Distributor. Like Terminator almost. I'm the distributor. And he's going to distribute to all these guys. So negative 3x squared times, what's my first term he distributes
7x squared.
to? 7x squared. Plus,
Oh, so you put that in
Negative 3x squared.
well, pause. That's confusion.
They're
Pause.
unlike terms.
Wait. What is it? So I did this right here.
That's 20.
Now I'm doing this.
Plus.
Times negative x.
Would be 3x.
So Vontae, for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Negative 20x squared plus 3x minus 12 is what I got.
Plus negative 3x squared times 4. What's the common thing happening right here? Negative 3x squared. That is called our distributor. If you are the distributor, then you'll be in there every single time. You need to multiply through every term. Okay? Okay.
Do we gotta write it like that?
You don't have to, but I think it helps a lot. Because people get confused
I went ahead and solved it
with the constants. Okay?
So it would be negative 12. So the 4 would turn over to a.
That's a multiplication. The little point.
I'm confused.
What? You haven't?
When you multiply negative 3x squared to 4, will that become x squared?
Yes, it will. Alright, so we got negative 3. First thing you do is remember to, what do you do first with the coefficients? Multiply. You're like, multiply?
And then you
Add exponents. And then you add exponents. You multiply coefficients, baby. That is right. That is a cute eraser. Did you make that yourself? That's cool. Alright, so first thing we do is multiply coefficients. Keenan, negative 3 times 7.
I got this.
Negative 21 is correct. X squared times x squared. What does that mean?
It would be.
Oh, no, you gotta say the same.
It'd be x squared.
X to the 4th. That's what I mean. So this, you add exponents. Multiply coefficients, add exponents. Next, what's negative 3 times, what is this considered? Yeah, negative 1. Oh, that's okay. So what's negative 3 times negative 1?
positive 3.
That's right, positive 3. What's x squared times x? Cubed.
To the cube.
Because how many x's are there? 2 here and 1 more.
2 plus
Yes,
2
sir.
is correct.
You have it?
No, I need these.
Oh, okay. And last but not least, what's negative 3 times 4?
Negative 12x.
Multiplication, you can do anything. So negative 12, and then you still have, there's no 1 there,
Never mind.
just x squared. Jermaine,
I'm
what's
not
up?
saying.
You done?
That is awesome.
Okay, should be around.
So it's
So-
off by x squared.
Together.
Yes. So guys, there's no x here,
It's a 0.
so there's no increasing the x, so it stays x squared, but you need to remember, the most common mistake is that nothing happens here, you just get negative 12. But you need that x squared. It's so important to get that x squared. Okay? So look at it, write it down. Any questions?
No.
That just means subtraction.
I'm
You
ready
still
to
solve
try
it.
an example now.
You ready to try your own example?
No, yes.
Alright. So before we try your own example, well actually we kind of are, we're going to need some volunteers.
Oh, I go first.
This is just reminding you guys that set it up, distributing, before you do your calculator work. Alright.
Let me do it.
We're going to do 1A with some signs. Now, to be a sign holder, you have to be calm, cool, and collected. Okay? You can't talk, can't do your sign like this. You need to be able to hold your sign still so the audience can see you are the audience. Okay? Who can do that? Calvin.
You know, I can do it. Do what you do.
Wait, which side? Does it matter which
I'll
side?
get you next. See how you were talking a lot.
No, I wasn't. I was talking when you started talking.
Okay. Alright, people with papers, come on up and get in order
I'm not done yet.
of the thing. I don't care if you're done, get up there. Paper people.
I'm at the end.
I'm missing somebody. Hey then,
I'm done.
Falling down on the job now.
get up there. Alright, so who is the distributor? 5a squared. They So Rachel needs to distribute to each term. Y'all have this written down?
Yeah.
I think we should be done with the quiz, though.
Yeah.
Moving on to notes.